Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 things to know before choosing a cryptocurrency. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. So there are 3 things you should know before picking a cryptocurrency. And the first one is the team behind the projects. You should also know the use in the real world and its strong fundamentals. So let's talk about a team behind the project. When we think about a team, it can be led by either a single person or a group of people. For example, the Ethereum Foundation, that is Vitalik Buterin, owns Ethereum, and an organization owns Hashgraph. So a cryptocurrency should always have a strong team that is always working on updates that end users need. For a better cryptocurrency project, you need more than just developers on the team. Developers are the heart of the project, but you also need people who are good at marketing, accounting, and getting involved in the community. And the second point, which is the use in the real world. We can keep the project going and in good shape as long as we have a good team. But the project should have a real world use case, like Singularity Net, where they are making a decentralized marketplace for AI services and a lot more. World Mobile Token is another example like Singularity Net. World Mobile Token is trying to get everyone on the internet. We might think that most of the world already has good internet access, but that's not the case. They are giving people in Africa access to the internet and doing a lot more. A cryptocurrency having strong fundamentals. Before we talk about the fundamentals, let's look at these as they are very important. Supply. Is there a limit to how much they can make? If so, how they launch it to the public is important. You should buy in the ICO if you believe in the project and how it will be used. Security, such as what programming language was used to build the project, what algorithms were used to secure the protocol, etc. How fast the blockchain works is important. For example, the speed of transaction verification, block production, or minting NFTs is also very important. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video and you must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.